Pinkfong. Subscribe and like! Hogi!
The moment you've all been waiting for. Pinkfong and Hogi's dance time! Let's go!
Hi friends, welcome! I'm Pinkfong.
Hello, and I'm Hogi.
Arms and legs, shake, shake, push forward, stretch, stretch.
Today's dance is, wait for it, no more lies!
Join us. Just follow our lead. Today, let's learn the fun No More Lies dance. Okay, now get both hands ready.
Both hands ready.
Turn your body to the side. Hands flap, flap, and then forward. Yup, yup.
Flap, flap, and then yup, yup. No more lies.
That was great, Hogi. To the side, flap, flap. And then stop the lies. Yup, yup.
Are you ready, friends? Then let's go and dance.
Music bong, dance bong, poi poi, ping pong. No more lies. Huh?
Once or twice, I'm sure it's okay. Just a little fun, it's okay.
Never, never, it's not a game. It hurts their feelings when you tell a lie. One turns into two, two turns into three. They keep getting bigger lies, lies, lies. Aiyayayayaiyai, it's not okay. Aiyayayayaiyai, to tell a lie. Aiyayayayaiyai, it's not a game. Aiyayayayaiyai, no more.
Once or twice, I'm sure it's okay. Just a little fun, it's okay.
Never, never, it's not a game. It makes people upset. Lies, lies, lies. Aiyayayayaiyai, it's not okay. Aiyayayaiyai, to tell a lie. Aiyayayayaiyai, it's not a game. Aiyayayaiyai, please, no more lies. I hope you had fun with me.
And with me, Hogi, 'cause we sure did.
If you know a friend who likes to lie sometimes, sing this song together. No, no, no more lies.
Aiyayayayaya. You got it, right? Okay, until we meet next time. Bye! Search for Hogi on YouTube.